Whoa! Whoa! Roll over on the last corner. Oh man. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at CTSR for the Roch 2024, what I call the Christmas race. Last year it was a Christmas race, but not called that this year. No Christmas theme this year, even though I'm in my Christmas attire for today. And we're gonna go for a TTGT main. We've just finished our 2 seeds, 3 quals. We're gonna do a 1 main tonight. The other 2 mains are tomorrow. Everyone gets triple mains. TTGT, everyone's grouped into one group of cars. There was 5 or 6 cars, I believe, in TTGT. I am very happy to report that on my 3rd qual, I squeaked out a TQ, and I'm starting P1 in the A main. The very best that I can do is win the A main in TTGT. I've got 3 chances to do so, but all my other competition is hot on my heels. I just squeaked out a TQ in that 3rd qual. It's definitely not a guarantee that I win. I just really kind of went over the weights. So the minimum weight spec for TTGT is 1450 grams. I am currently at 1454, I believe, and I had to add some extra little weights on the rear to get there. And I even tried to take off this little plastic scoop, and then I was underweight. So I have added weights here, and I tried to remove this just to get me as close to 1450 as I could be. As soon as I took that off, I was underweight again, so I had to put it all back. Although I was able to save 2 grams by removing 2 screws. So we're gonna go out with the Genzace G-Tech 60C, just basic battery, on USGT belted tires. The change for this year is you have to run belted tires in USGT, and we're going to go out and race with the McLaren Senna and TTGT, starting in pole position, and hope we can bring home this first win in the A main. Here we go, it's TTGT A main time. A main time. Practice laps. Oh. Practice laps feel good. I gave about 10 minutes tire sauce, a little wipe off before we went out. Feels good. All right.
March runners are ready. Racers are ready. All come on, sit down. Points on to go. All right. Now it's for real. Less than 5 seconds. Nick was so scared he was going to jump in.
Oh, I got out clean. Yes, I got out clean. I'm blowing that hairpin. I normally stand a little bit closer to it. I can't quite see where the curbing is.
Our first place driver, John, driving the yellow, orange, and blue car. Deuxième place, voiture blanche.
Car feels good.
John, fastest lap, 43, Gus 14, Simon 49, Jordan 46, Steve 74. Two down, 3 to go. Robert at the 5, John, Gus, Simon, Jordan 8. Another time we're saying our closest battle between Simon and Jordan for 3rd place. on the bataille maintenant, Simon Hughes. So white car, gray car, and blue car, all fighting for second, third, and fourth place. During that time, John has a lot of track in front of him. So he has a 6.4 second lead. Jordan Simon, 0.2 seconds. Third minute at 5. No. 10 minutes count, 140 to go. John, Gus, Jordan, Simon, lead.
I'm all out by my lonesome, but that's good. I got about half a lap worth of mistakes behind me. I almost rolled over there. Came uncomfortably close to rolling over. Oh, am I gonna get one more around? I think so. Go John, go John. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to push you in the corner. I can't go any faster than that.
15 seconds. John's going to do victory lap. All contributions going to lead. We drive all the way up to the line. Once we cross the line, we're done.
Oh boy, that was clean running. All right, we did it. All right. That's a win. Good run, guys. Yeah. All right, that's an A1 main win. We'll do that one more time. We secured an A main first place. We'll see if we can do it. Good run, guys. Good run, guys. Hello, folks. Welcome to Netcruzer RC. This is going to be A2 main of the TTGT. I won A1 main. If I can win A2, I've locked in a first place win in A main for TTGT. We'll see if we can do it in this race. Here it comes at CTSR, December 24, The Roch.
Let me take a look, please. Here, track is open.
All right, practice laps.
Donc en ordre de tour sont partant deuxième, Alex Cotto. NRTQ in TTGT, John Kennedy.
Hey, that's me. Here we go. Pole position.
Les conducteurs sont prêts, marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. We're going to start on the phone dans moins de 5 secondes. On regarde. Encore des gens pressés?
C'est la Mercedes de là.
They did that in A1 as well.
Sinon, on donne un ticket.
Itchy fingers.
Okay, we're starting on the phone in 5.
All right, I got away clean through corner 1 and 2. Just have to be careful not to roll it over on the first couple laps.
followed by Jordan Daniels, Dean, Simon Hughes. Don't get paid to the difference after 1 minute of racing. John, Jordan, Alex, Gus, Dean, and Simon. John, 14-5, Jordan, 14-3, Alex, 14, Gus, 14-4, Dean, 14-4, and Simon, 17-1, fast lap. Our closest battle right now.
14 flaps, really fast.
26 along with Dean, 26 seconds between Dean and Gus. And then the battle for fifth place between Dean and Simon, 1.7 seconds. The count trying to find 2:45 to go. John, Jordan, Alex, Gus, Dean, and Simon. Merci. And now we've got open traffic in front of him. 2 to go. In qualify, 1:30 to go. On the awesome at the time, Jordan Alex, point us to go. Jordan voiture bleu, Alex voiture orange. C'est la bataille pour la deuxième. Simon, John, Dean, third for fifth place, 0.9 seconds between them. A lot of traffic right now. Jordan on the bucket. 45 to go. On Simon will get right there with the traffic. Down to 40 to go. Our leader, clean traffic in front of him, 20 seconds to go. Bikes are going to fly.
15 seconds left.
Oh, oh. Roll over on the last corner. Oh man, just had to make it dramatic. That would have been a perfect run. It hadn't been for that last corner rollover for me.
Good
Good racing, guys.
Victory for John. followed by
All right, so that's the double win. I've secured the A1 podium. I'll probably sit out A3. Good racing, guys, good racing. All right, enjoyed the video, hit that like button if you haven't subscribed. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.